What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. This is Ice, and today I want to reward my team and my team members with our first airdrop on the Splassive network. So if you're interested in joining Splassive, only invest money that you're willing to part ways with. Don't invest your last, and make sure you do your own research. Today, I'm giving back to my team. As you can see, we have 4 people in our team. And what I'm going to be doing for our first airdrop is I'm going to give each person on my team 1 splash. I'm going to give each person on my team 1 splash if you have at least 1 splash in your deposit. The reason why you need at least 1 splash in your deposit is because that's the minimum that the protocol will let me use for the airdrop. So, if you guys don't know what this project is about, Splassive, the TAP is a low-risk, high-reward contract that operates similarly to a high-yield certificate of deposit by paying out 2% daily return on investment up to 360%. So basically, whatever you deposit into the TAP, you're going to get 2% daily in a 24-hour period. Now, the amounts you guys can earn will depend on the price of Splash, and that's also going to depend on some other factors. Well, it could be the price of Avalanche or the price of Bitcoin going down and all that kind of stuff. So, as you guys can see, the price of Splash right now is $34. It's been doing pretty good. If we go over to the well, we can see the price of Splash, and we can see the avax balance, which is awesome. I mean, look at this. This is the USD value. We got 2 million up in this bad boy. You know what I'm saying? So we're not playing around. And if we go to the chart, ever since the chart been out, we've been doing awesome. We had that crazy sell-off, and we've been going back up. We are all-time high right now. So if you guys want to join, click the link in the description. Also, click the link in the chat. That's my buddy link. You need a buddy to join. And today, we are going to be rewarding each player on the team 1 splash. And what if that 1 splash is just worth so much later on? It's going to be awesome. So yeah, man, I put 1,000 in here. This is where we're at right now in about 5 days. And I got about 6 more hours before I hydrate this, because we're going to put this back into the system, because we want a higher daily payout, because we're getting paid based on our deposits, right? So yeah, man, let's go over and get this airdrop cracking. Hopefully you guys having a wonderful day. So we're gonna go to team airdrop. We're gonna use my address because it's coming from me. We're gonna divide the budget between matching players. So that is awesome. So I think that should be reward players. Yeah, we're gonna divide it. So we got 4 players, and we're gonna give each player 1. So each person should get 1 splash. Minimum directs, none. So you don't have to have anyone under you. And we're giving, you need to have deposited at least 1 splash. Why? Because that's the lowest I can go. And then my budget is going to be 4. And then we're going to run. Let's see who's eligible. So let's see. So far, each player is eligible. Shout out to my mans that put 20 down for you, boy. Let's go, man. Guys ain't playing no more. Shout out to this guy. This guy said, man, I'm going to at least get 1 now. Come on. Come on, y'all. I'm going to get at least 1, man. Shout out to this guy. Now, it's let me see. I don't know. It's something wild going on because it's showing 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's showing 5 addresses, but I only have 4 people. So let me refresh this again, so make sure I'm not tripping. Team, I got 4 people, right? I must be bugging. Hold on, guys. Give me 1 second. Let's go to the well, and then we got to go back to the tap because sometimes it glitches and that happens for anybody who didn't. So yeah, we're gonna go to team. Matter of fact, we still got 4 people, so it's something weird. And one of the addresses wasn't mine. Team airdrop. Use my address. Divide between budget between matchup players. Minimum direct 0. At least 1 splash. And the budget's gonna be 4. I'm just gonna go. I don't know. It's some shadow. It's some dude in the shadows, or I don't know what's going on. But let's run. Let's check this again. Number of recipients 5. I don't know how that's happening. If I'm wilding, somebody tell me I'm wilding. Give me 1 second. I'm just double checking this. So if somebody know why it's saying 5, but I only see 4, just let me know. Other than that, we're gonna click select random addresses. Yeah, 1 through 50. Perfect. Approve. I hope I got enough to do this, please. Yeah. Confirm. We're gonna wait for that to wait for that to go through, and then we send it. We're gonna send y'all something. Y'all say y'all alright out there? Hold on, guys. Let me see. Boom. Alright, so send. Enter the amount is greater than your approved amount. Enter amount is number of recipients is greater than your approved amount. So let's try 3. I don't know what the heck going on. Budget. Send to enter the recipients 1 to 50. Let me see. I guess I'll do 5. Hold on. I'm messing this up like crazy. So 4. We're gonna. Matter of fact, no. I'll give everybody 1. Whoever that shadow person is, we're just gonna make it right. So let's see. So it's 5. I don't know, man. All right, we're gonna prove that. You know, we're gonna prove that. We're gonna see what the heck we doing wrong. So let's see. We got 5 available. We got 5 guys. Like burgers and fries. Now, let's wait for this stuff to get off the screen just in case they wild out. The amount is greater than your approved amount. What the heck is my approved amount? Approved amount. Select random addresses. Wait, hold on. Let me delete that. What? Number of recipients 5. Estimated splash per person is 1. All right, let me do 4. This is crazy. All right, so we're gonna have to do this, y'all. I don't know where this 5th guy came from. Now my goal is to get everybody 1 splash, but as you can see, it's getting crazy around here. So there's some shadow dude. I don't know what's going on, but we're gonna go ahead and confirm this. We're gonna go ahead and confirm this. We gotta split this up between some weird. It's something weird going on. But look, you know, we sending guys. We sending guys splash. You know what I'm saying? So shouts out to my team. As you guys can see, we went from 5 splash to 4 splash. So shouts out to these guys on my team. I just gave y'all at least probably like what 0.8 or something like that, 0.7 or whatever. But it's almost a splash. You know what I'm saying? If you are looking for a team, to get airdrops and something on your investment, because you need a buddy code regardless, click the link in the description or click the link in the comment section. Again, this is not financial advice. I encourage you to do your own research. As you can see, we struggled a little bit, but people still got paid. So shouts out to the guys on my team. If you want to join the Icy gang, click the link. Other than that, man, it's your boy, and I'll see you guys on the next one.